Let's make Pinoy Spaghetti.
Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to show you another vlog about Pinoy Spaghetti. Actually, this Pinoy Spaghetti inspired by Alex Gonzaga. It's inspired by her vlog when she featured her mom, Pinty Gonzaga, and her sister, Tony Gonzaga. So this version of mine is a little bit inspired by them by adding some mushrooms and carrots in the sauce and by using different kinds of tomato sauce. Actually, I'm amazed how Mommy Pinty uses 2 kinds of tomato sauce and even adding banana ketchup to it. It's actually good. So come and join me as I show you my own version of this recipe. There's no hot dogs in this, but I assure it's also a good one.
So for this recipe, we need garlic onions, grated carrots for the sweetness, 500 grams of ground beef, sliced button mushrooms, a bit of tomato paste, a bit of banana ketchup, 1 pack of Filipino-style spaghetti sauce, and 1 pack of Italian-style spaghetti sauce. So first, we will saute our garlic and onions. So when the garlic and onions are almost cooked, you can already start adding your ground beef. So when your beef is already fully cooked, make sure it's fully cooked, you can now add your carrots. You can also start adding your mushrooms at this point. And then let's add our tomato sauce. First, we're going to put 1 pack of Filipino-style tomato sauce. And then another pack of Italian-style tomato sauce. And then 1 tablespoon of tomato paste. And then about half a cup of banana ketchup. You won't be adding any cream or cheese to this mixture because it's a little bit fatty, but you can add a little bit of grated cheese upon serving. And then our pasta sauce is actually done. You can actually season it with a little bit of black pepper if you prefer, but if not, it's already good on its own. You can adjust your seasoning by adding more salt, more tomato paste, or more other tomato sauce that you would like. Now let's mix our Pinoy spaghetti. You can add more sauce, you can add more cheese, you can add a little bit of herbs. The cheese gives it creaminess, so you don't have to add cheese to the sauce, just add the cheese on top. So if you have tried this Pinoy Spaghetti recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe on my channel. Don't forget to click bell button also so you can be updated with all the videos that I will post.